How to create landing page in Getresponse. First, make sure to check the link provided in the description below to gain easy access to the tool we'll be using. Once you're there, sign up or log in for a new account if you don't have one. Once you are logged in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Landing Pages tab in the navigation menu. Here, you'll find all the tools and options needed to create your landing page. To begin creating your landing page, click on the Create Landing Page button. This will open up the landing page builder. Getresponse offers a wide range of customizable templates to choose from. Browse through the templates and select the one that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen a template, you can start customizing it to match your brand and message. The landing page builder provides a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, making it simple to add and modify elements. Customize each element by simply clicking on it. You can change the text, images, colors, and even add or remove sections to fit your purpose. Don't forget to optimize your landing page for mobile devices. With Getresponse, you can easily switch to the mobile view and make adjustments to ensure a seamless experience for your users. Once you're satisfied with the design and layout, it's time to integrate your landing page with your email marketing campaigns. Getresponse makes it effortless to connect your landing page with your email list. Before publishing your landing page, take a moment to review and double-check everything. Ensure that all the links, images, and forms are working correctly. Congratulations! Your landing page is now ready to go live. Simply click on the Publish button, and Getresponse will provide you with a unique URL that you can share with your audience.